Hi, Ann. You would think that sharing these Zoom recordings would be easy, and I'm finding out that it's not. So I think I have it figured out. We'll see if this works. If not, I have another plan. But as soon as you get the link to me, I can watch it and start transcribing it and make sure that that's done. But anyway, go into your little folder there for with all of your documents, and you will see Zoom. All right, it'll automatically, that recording saved from last night, so it automatically comes here. Excuse me. And I have several. I don't know if you have many recordings, but just look and find the right date. Then right click on it. That's the key. Right click your mouse on it and give access to specific people. And then here you can type my name in. And since we're both at NLU, you click add and then share, and I believe that will do it. I'm gonna share this with you. If you see it, it's just the meeting that I had last night. I just kind of want to see if it works, but I'm gonna share it, and your folder is shared. Okay, so you should have access to this, and it will take you. Oops, I'm sorry. And also, if that doesn't work, you can click copy. Just click that copy, and then take it to a Word document. Open up a blank Word document, and then paste it and then make sure it's hyperlinked, and then I'll click on here and it should take me, whoops, it should take me right there. Let's see. And then that'll take me to the actual Zoom meeting. So I know it's confusing. I'm hoping this will help. So let me know if you can get it or not. We'll figure it out. Thanks.